I'm going to show you how I used PowerPoint to create an interactive map to be used in my social studies lesson on reading the parts of a map. In this lesson, students are focusing on understanding the parts and their roles in reading a map. Students will be using this PowerPoint map to find their hidden assignments in the classroom and to learn more about parts of a map. I started out by using this shapes tool here and chose the different shapes that I thought should represent parts of a classroom. So I chose these shapes and I assigned them different areas in the classroom, like the rug, the reading shelf, etc. I made this key by simply inserting a large square, which I colored gray, and then you just use the text box tool here to write the correlating area next to the shape that I chose for each. After adding different text box to represent the title of the map, the key, and the compass rose, and the scale, I found great websites that related to each of these items on a map and wanted to hyperlink them to the text. So once you have the websites that you're going to use, I just simply clicked on this toolbox icon here, and then you choose the text that you're going to hyperlink. And there's an option that shows up right here where you can simply type in the URL or copy and paste the URL, and this text becomes a hyperlink. So I did the same for each. I have different websites for both the scale, the key, and the compass rose that are either interactive or informative, and have hyperlinked them using that tool. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to show you what happens when we click on the hyperlinks here. So students will be given these maps to find their individual assignments somewhere within the classroom. They can also use this map to learn more about the parts of a map. So here we have, if we click on the key hyperlink, we get a website that shows the key to understanding maps, and it explains the map key and how icons or pictures can represent something else that is located on that map. So there's a lot of different informative things right on this site for them to understand about a map key. And that will be helpful because we have a key here that the map wouldn't make any sense without this key. It's just a bunch of shapes. So they'll be able to see here with the classroom map, and once they click on the hyperlink, how important the key to a map really is. Now the compass rose hyperlink is more interactive. That can be used as just some practice or a little extra after they already understand the map. So see here it says click on the forward arrow to see the map change. This comes up when you click on the hyperlink. And you can actually follow this little route through the farm neighborhood, and every time the arrow goes in a certain direction, part of the compass rose lights up the area or the direction in which the arrow is traveling. So it can be north, so that hyperlink would be some great practice with the compass rose. So now I just want to talk about adding this icon here that I have, this picture. There is no clip art in PowerPoint that has a compass rose, and I wanted to be able to show the students what a compass rose looks like on a map, their classroom map. So I searched for a picture that went with my map and made sense, and I just saved it onto my computer. And then once you're here on this page on your map, you can simply click the picture icon, insert picture, and you should get something like this, which is from your computer, and you can either click desktop or wherever you saved it, and you just simply add it in. And then it can be resized to fit on your document the way that you like. So this was my interactive PowerPoint map. Thank you.